Hi everyone, how are you doing? I'm very happy to update you the latest construction in the Kingdom of Cambodia in Siem Reap. So you can see that the vehicle, the construction with the workers they are doing very nice. Here I am in the Vietinbank road. Vietinbank is also a royal palace of the King Toan before, and then he moved to Phnom Penh, so this become a pagoda, and this time also a place for the Khmer studies as well. So this village they also call Vietinbank village. So Siem Reap has been during the construction nearly finished 65% almost complete, and I guess they are doing the rainy system here. This is my favorite restaurant, so I'm waiting for them to finish to have it for my dinner. I'm very happy. So I think that the infrastructure in the Kingdom of Cambodia will change very rapidly, and then you have a different pictures of the Khmer, and also Cambodian economic layer. I think that after finishing the road works, I think that the infrastructure improve, and I think that Cambodia will attract more attractive foreign investor and local too, because the Siem Reap is a very important province. I'm loving to see them working because it is also a good income for them in this pandemic time. I think that the pandemic commodity also a good time. If we look in the positives, the price side, and then people have more different experience too. I feel I'm back to the childhood because I really like this thing when I was a childhood too. I'm happy. Oh, very awesome Khmer style house here. I give you a little bit scenery around here. Siem Reap is in the time of the rainy season, start from May to October, so that mostly happen rain in the evening or the afternoon late or early morning. Oh, how cute! Working together is so easy at all. But I think that the valuables they have good teamwork. Yeah, I'm happy. Oh, I'm a little bit hungry. I think that I wanna have some for dinner. I like the Khmer cuisine. I think that everybody also have starving at this time, but they need to finish their chore before leaving home. I hope that everybody will stay safe and be happy always, and I'm loving you, Ma. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and wait for the next stop of the Cambodia trend, Arabic trend, Cambodian nowadays. Here you are, from Siem Reap, Town in the Kingdom of Cambodia.